guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to solve day 3 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now, without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today I'm going to solve problem number 2486. Append characters to string to make subsequence. Okay, so in this problem, you are given two strings S and T consisting of only lowercase English letters, and we have to return the minimum number of characters that need to be appended to the end of S so that T becomes a subsequence of S. Okay, a subsequence is a string that can be derived from another string by deleting some or no characters without changing the order of the remaining characters. Okay, so now let's understand this with example 1. Okay, so this is one string given to us S, okay, coaching, and this is one more string T, coding. Okay, so we have to append the characters. See here, append the characters ding to the end of S so that S is equal to coaching ding. Okay, so now see, T is a subsequence of S. Okay, it can be shown that appending any three characters to the end of S will never make T a subsequence. Okay, so now let's understand what's happening here. Okay, so from here one thing is clear, that I am modifying my string S like this. Okay, and after modifying this string S like this, I can easily form string T from this one. Okay, by just selecting this C, this O, this D, I, N, G. Okay, so from S I can form T. That simply means that T is a subsequence of S. Okay, so now let's see how we are going to solve this problem. Okay, so initially let's say my K is starting from this position. Okay, my K is starting from this position. So initially my K is equal to 0 at this index, right? So I am going to iterate over this string S one by one. Okay, so initially I am going to check if this character is matching with this first character, first index. Okay, this is 0th index and this is 0th index, right? So this is what I am going to check. Yes, both are matching, right? Both are matching. So if both are matching, then I am going to increment my K to next position. Now my K becomes 1. Okay, so now here I am checking if this O is matching with this O. Yes, this C is already matching with this C, this O is already matching with this O. So now my K is incremented to next position. Okay, so now my K becomes 2. Okay, after that I am going to check if this A is matching with D. No, A is not matching with D. Then after that I am going to check if this C is matching with D. No. This H is matching with this D. No. This I is matching with this D. No. This N is matching with this D. No. This G is matching with this D. No. So I have completely iterated over this string S. Okay, so now in the end my K was 2. Okay, so what is the length of this my T string? So length of my T string is nothing but 6. So I am just going to subtract this 6 with this K value. 6 minus 2 is going to give me 4. That simply means that I have to add this ding string in the end of this S so that my T is a subsequence of S. Okay, so here see this line. A subsequence is a string that can be derived from another string by deleting some or no characters without changing the order of the remaining characters. Okay, so we can't change the order of any other characters. Okay, so I can't just add D and then select I and G from here. Okay, I have to maintain the order as well. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear with this line. A subsequence is a string that can be derived from another string by deleting some or no characters without changing the order of remaining characters. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear with this explanation. Okay, so now let's move to the coding part. So first let's calculate the length of my string S. Okay, so let me zoom it. Int n is equal to s dot length. Code is going to be very simple, just few lines. I don't know why this problem is of medium level. Okay, int m is equal to t dot length, then just iterate over my string s. Okay, but before that let's initialize my K as 0. Okay, then after that I am going to iterate over my string s. So int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, and inside this I am going to check if my K is less than my m and s dot char at I is equal to t dot char at k. Okay, if both are matching, then in that case I'm just going to increment my k. Okay, that's it. And in the end I have to just return my length of what is the length of my string t m minus k. Okay, that's what I have explained here, right? 6 minus 2. Okay, so now let's run the code and see if there are any code issues. So all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. Okay, so time complexity is just of n because we are iterating over our string s and inside this I'm just checking if k is less than m and the characters are matching, then I'm incrementing k. Okay, so time complexity is going to be O of n and space complexity is going to be O of 1, constant space. Okay, so I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.